I'm even nervous to taste this. I'm learning that you don't need all that stuff to have really good coffee. Like, I don't even use creamer anymore. I mean, probably when the weather cools down and they come out with maybe like a pumpkin spice creamer, I'll purchase that. But as of now, milk, espresso, a little honey, and sugar-free vanilla, the best coffee. It tastes so good. Today's Sunday. I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset. That will entail mopping the common areas. I've been procrastinating, but I need to mop. I need to do some laundry. I need to clean out my refrigerator, clean my main bathroom, and probably go to Target. And then once all of that is done, I want to have like a self-care night. I really want to take a bath, but I don't really know how realistic that is, to be honest with y'all, because I don't know how tired I'm going to be. We have a lot we want to do, and it's not that early in the day. It's 11:11, so we're going to get started. I'm debating on whether or not I want to start up and come down, or I think I'm going to start down and come up since this area needs to be mopped. It's like once I finish cleaning this area and I mop, I'm not going to come back down until the floors are dry, because I'm going to be cleaning up, which means the floors can dry in peace. So yeah, I think I'm going to start down and then go up. So happy Sunday, or whatever day you're watching this. I hope that you've had a great week, or having a great week, or like I said, whatever day it is. I hope that things are working out in your favor. Actually, before I let you go, I have my book right here. So today's not January. Today is July 28th, so we can read the passage for today. Let my love seep into the inner recesses of your being. Do not close off any part of yourself from me. I know you inside and out, so do not try to present a cleaned up self to me. Wounds that you shut away from the light of my love will fester and become wormy. Secret sins that you hide from me can split off and develop lives of their own, controlling you without realizing it. Open yourself fully to my transforming presence. Let my brilliant love light search out and destroy hidden fears. This process requires time alone with me. As my love soaks into your innermost being, enjoy my perfect love, which expels every trace of fear. Amen. When I tell y'all, that book always hits. Like, it's going to give you exactly what you need. I hope that blessed someone. For me, that really blessed me, because I feel like sometimes we do try to hide things from God, but it's like, I'm God, I'm all knowing. Wow, that was really good. So I hope that blessed someone. I think I'm going to start with the refrigerator. My refrigerator looks a mess because I have not done anything to it. So yeah, enjoy a montage of me getting my refrigerator together.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya, no lie. I miss your touch from your hands in your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love.
This is how my refrigerator is supposed to look. Like, nice and neat. I am so happy I finally went through. It was so much garbage in here, but everything is nice and neat, and I'm very happy. There's a bunch of like half drinking drinks that was in the refrigerator, sauces that's expired or we no longer use, just different things. So I'm going to take this time to like just pour it all out so I can recycle the bottles and put those in a recycling bin. One of my favorite things to do in the kitchen is to take everything off the counters and just really clean the counters. I'm talking about get all those crumbs that's behind the appliances, clean the backsplash, just do all the things that we usually don't do on a daily basis. I do have a lot of things on my counter, so most times I wipe around them, but every now and then I take everything off and I give it a good scrub. What's your favorite part of cleaning the kitchen?
3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim.
The kitchen is finally finished. I'm so happy. It looks so good. I kind of rearranged a few things, added a few things to the counters. Everything looks really good. It's a dishwasher. Why does it sound like that? That's so crazy because I was just about to talk about the dishwasher. I unloaded the dishwasher and I reloaded it. And if you're one of those people that think dishwasher pods are all made equal, they are not. These are the best pods. When I tell you they have your dishes like squeaky clean, squeaky clean. It's the Cascade Platinum Plus with Dawn. These are so good, like so good. I was going to like clean everything and then like treat myself to Target afterwards. However, we need to go to Target now because I wanted to mop the floors and I have nothing to mop the floors with. I think I just found some stuff. These, which I've never used before, but I'll be willing to try. These are Enzyme Cleaning Power for deep cleaning hardwood floors. So we could try this out. And then this is some Ajax. This is like a Fabuloso multi-cleaner situation. Yeah, don't have to go to Target right now. Bummer. Now I'm gonna move over to the living room area, and once I have that area all together, we're gonna mop and we're gonna be done. That on the counters, nothing really changed over here. Right here I did add this cutting board and a random picture that I found under my counter that I forgot I purchased, but it's really cute. Still have our same layout here: soap, candle, lotion. Over here is where things changed. I put these candles right here because I don't know, this is my mood. Like, I like the way it looks. I love candles, so that's what we're going with for now. And then I moved my toaster, my kettle, and I moved my toaster and my kettle in this corner. This is where I wanted it to go anyways, but there's no plug. So whenever I want to use it, I'll just have to plug it up over here. And then you guys remember I got that picture frame. I just think the picture frame looks so good with the kettle and the toaster. I don't know what I'm going to put in there. I might find like a cute, like aesthetic picture on Pinterest or something. I was thinking about putting a picture of Sebastian, but it's the kitchen, so I really don't know about that. And then I'm burning one of my favorite candles from Le Labo, which is Santal 26. That is what the counters look like.
So come over you. Yeah. Nobody got it. Woo. Silly on me. Devoted so much time to find you a faithful boy. I never lost my mind. Drive past your house every night in an unmarked car. Wondering what she had on me to make you break my heart. Yeah, I'm so wrong. You made me nights I couldn't sleep. And let the sun reach home. I asked myself over again, what am I doing wrong to make you stay all night?
I left y'all in the freaking car. Like, I'm so annoyed. I was supposed to get like some good content in Target, but I left y'all in the car. And by the time I realized that, I'm like, I'm not going back out to that car to go get them. So I put some stuff on my phone, so we shall see. But I'll do a haul of everything I purchased when we get back home. I just had to makeshift a tripod, so that's what y'all are sitting on. I'm gonna quickly show y'all what I purchased from Target. Scrub Mommy, Scrub Daddy, surface cleaner, agains, paper towels, toothpaste, bath salt, multi-surface cleaner. This is like a multi-surface cleaner with bleach. Celsius. I also purchased some school supplies for my nieces and nephews. Those are downstairs. And I also purchased a new mop in which y'all are sitting on as a tripod. So y'all can't see that, but down here is already clean. Y'all know that. I had to go to Target because I could not find a freaking mop. Like, who loses? Well, I couldn't find a mop bucket. So in turn, I just purchased a whole new mop. But let me tell you this. Being $50 at Target, get $15. So I got $15 back and I already had gift cards. So honestly, it wasn't bad. And I got a brand new mop. And I'm happy about that because mine was like 3 years old anyways. So let's open up this mop this floor, and head up and get upstairs clean. What you thinking? This is supposed to be a Sunday reset. Listen, I was being a little bit too ambitious yesterday. I think it was possible, doable for sure, but I just wanted to lay down and relax. So we're back at it today. We're upstairs and there's not much to do. We're going to do the bedroom, which we're already rushing the sheets. You guys know that. The bathroom. And that's really it. Like, that's the only thing that needs to be done up here. Because the other room is already clean. So the bathroom and the bedroom. We're back. I'm about to clean this bathroom. So we're going to start with cleaning the bathroom. And it's not bad. It's just a little stuff on the counter that needs to be put back. where it goes, so it's not going to take long. Let's get started. I don't know what it is, but my least favorite part of cleaning has to be the bathroom, especially my bathroom. Like, I just have so many products and I spread them all along the counters throughout the week instead of just putting them back where they go. So by the time I'm ready to clean up, it's just a big mess. I do not like mopping and I absolutely hate cleaning my shower. I just don't like cleaning the bathroom. What's your least favorite part of cleaning?
3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about the Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the chin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gonna tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum, nigga.
So that's the actual part of the bathroom with the toilet in it. I cleaned the toilet. I didn't show that because last time I cleaned the toilet, a lot of people was like, oh my God, I'm eating, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So didn't show that, but cleaned the toilet, cleaned all of this, wiped everything down, shower is clean, and I mopped the floor. We are now moving on to the bedroom. Y'all, my bedroom has just always been the area that is just the worst. Like, I don't know if it's because this is where I spend most of my time or what, but yeah, I don't know if it's because this is where I like take off all my clothes at, but it's honestly, it's not bad. It's not that bad. It's just a lot of clothes everywhere, and that's really it. We'll be done as far as like cleaning. I'll be back. We're about to clean this room. We're almost finished with the room. As you can see, my headboard looks really dirty on the bottom half, so we're going to clean that. And when you get closer, you can see like these like lint balls and stuff. It's like so many like lint balls. We're going to go in with this fabric shaver and get all of that off as well. A huge percentage of the furniture in my house are very light, and this is what saves me. This stuff is so good, y'all. If you have a stain on something, your carpet, your bed, your couch, whatever, this stuff right here is going to save you every single time. I get it from Target. It's very affordable, and in this case, I'm just going to spray it on the bed and scrub it. But sometimes if I'm cleaning like my carpet, because as you can see, I have a pretty light colored carpet too, I will put this like in the carpet machine. But right now, we're just going to spray it on. It is still wet, so you still may be able to see like dark spots where I scrubbed that, but as of the fabric balls, they are gone. The bed actually looks worse than when I started, but hopefully it dries and everything is okay. If not, then I'll have to go in with the carpet machine and like really scrub it, but we'll see. This is an area that I absolutely love. Everything, it's not like I switched this area up. I just kind of did it up, put a pillow on the chair and added a picture frame in which I still need to put a picture in. And then this area is a newer area. This stand was in my haul, but I don't know. I just kind of had the urge to pull it out and put it right here. And I'm glad I did, because this looks really good right here. Like, I love that. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. I know it's probably not the best. These are my old bathroom mats. I am going to throw these away because they are so dingy and old. I ran out to Home Goods. And while I was there, I picked up some new ones. Just some regular bathroom mats. I needed some new ones. It was time. So we're going to put these down and then we're going to take a shower. Just wanted to come on and end the vlog, say thank you for joining me as I cleaned my home today. Hopefully you guys did some Sunday resetting or whatever it is you needed to do around your home. If you like these types of videos, let me know. I can do more cleaning content if that's what you want to see. I love you all. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.